it's Kristina from Kristina's Crafts. Today I'm going to be making a sign using some stuff from Dollar Tree and from Temu. I have a piece of poster board that I cut out that I got from Dollar Tree, and then this wallpaper, peel and stick, that I got from Dollar Tree, and also this little saying that I got from Dollar Tree. Then I have this molding that I got from Temu that I'm going to be using. So the first thing that I'm going to do, okay, so I just wanted to explain why I'm using poster board. I could not find a sign at Dollar Tree that was big enough to fit this on. So that's why I'm using poster board. So I'm going to set this aside for right now. Well, actually, you know what I'm going to do? I am going to be framing my sign, and I'm going to use this trim that I got from Temu. I already played around with the colors and found the color that I liked. So what I want to do is I am going to have to measure out where my trim is going to go on here. So I am just going to go ahead and I'm going to cut out what I'm going to use here. All right, so I have these two cut. Now I have to get the sides here. And I think what I'm going to do, since I'm not good at cutting angles, I am going to cut out the size that I need. It's to overlap here. And cut another one that same size. And that'll be about that roll of trim, which I did use on a different project already, so. Okay, so then I think what I'm gonna do is, this might be crazy, but I am not good at this stuff. So I'm gonna put these on top of each other here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my razor blade to cut out the corners, because I am not good at cutting corners. So I'm gonna stick that on there. All right, let me get this to where I can see it. And then I am just going to go like this and go through the trim so I can get my angle that I need. So I'm gonna try to clean this up a little bit. It looks kind of sloppy, kind of tore right through it. Or a scissors. Okay, so I got that corner. I'm really hoping this is gonna work. And then I just got a little chunk here. That seems to be about the easiest, is the scissors. All right, so let's see how this lines up. Not bad. I think it's gonna look good. I think that's how I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my corners. Okay, I have all my pieces cut out to do to attach to my poster board, but for now I'm gonna set that aside. And I played around with a different couple paint colors, but I really was very impartial to this metallic. This is Deco Art metallic paint. It's silver. I don't know, I've used it on a lot of projects. I really like this stuff, but if you can see, it gives it a little bit of a shine. I think that's gonna look really good on my sign. So I am going to paint my trim using this silver color paint. As you can see, I already did a little spot of it to test it out, and that's how I figured that's what I wanted. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna paint this. Now, on my last video, I painted this trim and I used a chalk paint. So just so you know, this is an acrylic paint and it works way better on this trim than the chalk paint did. Okay, so now while I'm waiting for my trim pieces to dry, I grabbed these little cutouts, and these I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm thinking I'm gonna put the silver paint on those too. I can always change it if I don't like it, but since I have the silver paint out in my brush, I thought if I'm gonna do it, I should probably go ahead and do it now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get just a thin coat. I'm not gonna worry about the insides or anything, just on the outside. Okay, everything is painted and dried, and now it's time to put it together. So I'm gonna need to put this on my, what the heck is it called? I said it before, and now I don't remember. Poster board. So I'm gonna start by trying to do this straight, and we'll see how crooked it gets, because that's what I do. I'm going to, I think I'm gonna go even with the bottom here. even though my board's not completely straight. Oh, and it just moved. Okay, let's actually, no, I want it kind of split. All right, you know what? I'm just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna take it off and see what happens. This is usually when stuff gets really crooked, is when I do that. All right. See how it's sticking. Oh, it sticks pretty good. Good, good, good. Okay, so now I'm gonna have to get my razor blade up, and I'm gonna have to cut this top part off. All right, so I just got my knife out and my board, my cutting board or whatever, cutting mat, whatever you wanna call it. Oh, I don't know if I went all the way through. Oh, almost got it. All right. Okay, that is on there, and it doesn't look too crooked from what I can tell. Looks pretty straight. Okay, then the next thing I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the molding on. I'm gonna put the molding on before I put the sticker on because I think it'll just be better that way. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with the bottom. And I'm probably gonna put some hot glue on here because I don't think it's gonna stick completely good. So, but I'm gonna stick this on here. And then once I have good placement, then I'm gonna hot glue it down. You know, it looks like I got a little bit of my poster board hanging off right here. Try to cut that off. All right. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. There was a little indent right here in the molding, and that was just from packaging. So just to let you know that. All right, how good is it? It's actually sticking pretty good. Maybe I'll just put a little hot glue on the ends just to make sure they stick good. I'm gonna switch this around here and put this one on. Yeah, sometimes I think because of the paint, I don't get a good tear on the backing. All right, let's line this one up. Looks good. I don't know, seems to be sticking pretty good. I don't know if I want to go ahead and put hot glue on there. You can actually see the adhesive. You know what? I don't think I'm going to put the hot glue on. I think I'm just going to leave it. And if for some reason, you know, down the line, if it decides it's going to come off, then I guess I'll just deal with that then. All right, and then the sides, which I didn't cut, I mean, they're not cut the best, but I did the best that I could. If you watch my videos, you know I can't do anything straight. Everything's always crooked. All right, so I'm gonna try to piece this in here to look the best that it can. Yeah, it doesn't match up the best. I mean, it's not horrible. It's just not perfect. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get the last piece on here. Okay, that's on. It doesn't look too bad. Now I am gonna have to try to put my sticker on. Now this is gonna be, or well, I think is gonna be kind of difficult. So I'm gonna do the best I can. Okay, see if I can get this on here. Oop, right to the edge. Get the us on here. probably like try to measure this out or something, but I just go stick it, yeah, look at it's all goofy. I just go sticking it on there all willy-nilly. All right, let me see if I can get that one straightened out. So I just got my ruler out. That seems to be helping a little bit. All right, now I'm gonna get my is on there. I think it needs to come down a little more. Wait, actually. Yeah, us is up a little bit higher still. Not too bad. I'm just gonna go with it. All right, and then I still have to put these on yet, which I'm probably gonna start with our home because I'm pretty sure these are all separate here. Or maybe it is one long sticker. Oh, please don't be one long sticker. Okay, it is. That's gonna be a pain in the butt. All right. I'm gonna stick that right here. Yeah, I don't think it's too bad. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, then I have those other decorations that I was gonna put on there. So these are also from Temu, these little flowers that I got, and I thought those would look really cute in the middle of here instead of the light little hearts that are on there. So I'm gonna get my hot glue gun heated up and get that on there. Okay, so it should be heated up enough. Stick my flowers on there. It's kind of like the flowers because it just gives it a little bit more elevated of a look along with the frame here. There. I think that looks really cute. So then my next thing is I have the flower and the heart that I painted, but I guess I kind of underestimated how much room I have on here, so I don't think I'm going to be able to use both of these. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the heart up here. I was thinking maybe kind of more off to the side-ish, not right in the middle. I'm thinking like right there. And I think that should be good. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna grab some of my glitter glue and put that on there, because if I use hot glue, you're gonna see all of that. So I'm just gonna take my art glitter glue here, because it has a nice fine tip, and put some of the glue on here. So that way you're not gonna see the hot glue gushing out all over the place. All right. Might be enough to hold it. Excuse my voice. I think I'm gonna stick it right about there. Okay, then the last thing for this is what I'm gonna do is I have this wood bead wreath that I got from Dollar Tree, and I wanted to use this on the top of it to hang it, but I'm not really liking the way this looks, so it would be way too big if I put the whole thing on. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these beads off of here and I'm gonna put them on some of this baker's twine that I got from Dollar Tree. So, oh, where's my thing? Oh, I love it when I lose stuff. There it is. Okay, so I'm just gonna bend this wire back so that I can access these beads here. Get those there. And then I'm gonna string all my, probably not all of them, but I'm just gonna kind of keep going. I'm gonna have to get a piece of tape for this until I find that I have enough beads on there or what's gonna look good to hang my project. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get some duct tape ready here. Come on. Okay, so I'm gonna measure in 3 inches, and then that is where my string is gonna go. So stick that on there. Glue on here. And then I'm gonna take my duct tape and put that right on top of there. And that should give it a nice hold. Just kind of squish it on there. And then I'm gonna measure 3 inches on the other side and attach that one. Okay, then I am going to snip my ends off here. And this should be nice and secure now, so it's not going anywhere. And look at that, that is so light, that's crazy. But that's it, that's all I'm gonna do to this one. I think it turned out really cute. You'll have to let me know what you think in the comments. I love hearing people's comments and maybe stuff I should have done different. Or if you like it, of course, I like to hear that. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Hope you made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope it inspires you to make, you know, your own crafts. And I hope you subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified when I upload. And take care. Thank you. Bye.